Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm driving right now. We are heading off to the Munich coin fair, Numismata. So I thought I'd take you on a little drive of my route. This is in Munich. Here on your left is the old Olympia Stadion. This is where Bayern Munich used to play. Now got a new stadium. This is the Olympia part. It was built for the 1972 Olympics, Summer Olympics. And here on our left hand side is BMW. This is the headquarters of BMW. And just underneath this fancy design here is the new BMW museum. Quite futuristic looking. Been in there a few times. And the little round thing is the smaller museum. This is for the real old cars they had. So let's get on, see if we can find anything today. So, if you ever come to a coin fair, it's always good to come with a little bit of something with you. First of all, I brought myself a lupe. I've also brought the Gold Sovereign book by Michael Marsh. Kind of looking for some sort of sovereign or so. And I also picked this up yesterday. This is the new Spink Bible of British coins. And also, most importantly, you need some wedge of about 1600 here. I'm not saying I'm going to spend this, but if there's something there that really takes my fancy, we've got some money. So let's have a look. All this here belongs to BMW. They've started building, or they have built all this here. Quite a bit of land here in Munich, as you would have guessed. This is where they store all the brand new cars. Another building owned by BMW. They own quite a lot of area around here. And just down here is the coin fair. So here we are, guys, we're getting near the Numismata now, and it's just here in this building. It's going to be difficult to take video. I don't like to take video of people's coins, so I will be grabbing a little bit here and there. So let's see what we can get. Seems to be quiet just now.
Alright. Do you know what? We've just ordered a load of trains, so no thank you. Okay. Alright, well that's good. We have a girl that does marketing for us, so she might.
Only for the first time we charge the metal brass to printing the logo you got.
Okay.
After this is free.
Okay. Alright.
Right?
Okay. Thank you.
Big collection. In November it will be Imperatorium. The same collection. This is the best known of the type. This is rare, this is a Kinari.
Hey guys, and welcome home. Yeah, I've finished at Numismata now, and I just wanted to give you a couple of tips of what I've seen at these fairs. First of all, there was this fair. It started at 9:30 this morning, and there was guys actually packing up. There was some booths packing up already by 12:30. Obviously, they wanted to go home at some point. The fair doesn't actually finish till 3:30, so at the minute we've still got 45 minutes to go. But you know, people want to get home. You know, they drive from maybe Czech Republic or Poland or wherever. So these guys are obviously want to get back on the road and get home. Tip number one is books. Take books with you, depending on what you're looking to buy. I'm more into British coins, so I was looking for silver, gold, you know. But this is an up-to-date Coins of England, Spink Coins of England book. This is an up-to-date price guide. And I also was maybe looking for some gold, so I took my Michael Marsh, the Gold Sovereign book with me. Also important is the Lupe. Always check coins, always. The next thing that I would point out is that dealers are more willing to make a sale on the last day. So if you guys ever go to a 2-day sale, don't unload your wallet on the first day. Maybe have a look around, maybe check out who's got something that you might be interested in, take down a name, get a card, whatever, and then go back and see them on the second day. So I did find something that I was looking for, and it was this here. It's a nice little George half sovereign, and this is proof half. Now, I had spotted this yesterday at the dealer. He had several. He had a couple slabbed, lesser grade than this one, and he had a couple raw. The raw were priced from 9 to 1,200 euros. Had a look at them, thought maybe I can get a decent grade out of them, so I got my loopy out. Didn't like the look of them, so I had my eye on this one on the Saturday, and I decided to go in and see what we could do as a deal. And I asked them, or said to him, how much would you take for this? He says, well, how much do you want to give? I says, well, what about 1,400 euros? Now, this ticket price on this coin was 1,750, which was a bit excessive, and I went in straight away at 1,400 because I wasn't going to be paying much more than 1,400, and surprise surprise, he accepted my offer. So as I said, these guys are more willing to do a deal on the last day than they are on the first day, and I got a grade of a 66. So I'm fairly happy with that. I think it's about right around the price of these coins. There's nothing in it. It's going to be left sitting in my little stack. So yeah, I'm fairly happy with that. I'm glad I did what I did and just waited. I mean, if it had gone, then fair enough. If it had gone, I would have just waited for something else. I wasn't going to rush and pick up any old coin. I had a set target. In fact, I had 2 or 3 targets. This was one of them. I didn't find another target that I was looking for. So this was one of the targets that I wanted, and I got. And it was in a high grade, and it was already graded, so it saves me on the grading fee as well. So I'm fairly happy about that. Anyway guys, I hope these tips and the little trip has got you interested in maybe getting yourselves to a coin fair. It would be great to see some of you guys, maybe if you do go to coin fairs, trying to post some video. I found it pretty difficult to post video or take video of dealers' booths. I just felt uncomfortable doing it. I'm not a YouTuber. I just make a little video here and there of my thoughts. I don't have a style, as someone thought I should have a style. I don't have any style. I just like take a video and that's me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as usual, like, comment and subscribe. And we'll probably see some dislikes from the Silver Forum members as usual. Probably Mark and Yumi and Backyard Billion and the likes. Really don't give a monkeys about what they think about my videos. As long as the wider numismatic and coin collecting people that are on YouTube appreciate the videos. I don't ask for any donations. I do it as a hobby, and you shouldn't be giving donations out either, in my opinion. So again guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully we'll catch you on another video very soon. Thanks very much.